We're going to move into our meditation on what can go right today. So go ahead and become comfortable. We won't be here long, but go ahead and prop yourself up with pillows if you need, blanket, whatever makes you comfortable. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Continue to breathe mindfully throughout the meditation. I'm going to say an opening prayer. We surround ourselves with a bubble of white light, a bubble of love and light. Just envision that beautiful bubble of love and light surrounding you. Breathe. Continue to breathe. I am thankful for this time to know myself, to learn, to grow. I am thankful for this time to heal, to become aware. I am thankful for this time to be. And 3 breaths. And ask yourself, what can go right today? Continue to slowly inhale and exhale while you pause. You may visualize an answer. You may feel an answer. You may hear an answer. Or you just may answer it yourself. Give thanks for whatever you see, hear, or feel. And ask again, what can go right today? Visualize, feel, hear. You may have all of those, or you may have one. Or you just may answer it with your own voice. Give thanks for the answer. Continue asking this question as many times as you feel it necessary. You may have as many as 10 things that can go right today. When you feel the energy subsiding, and this will come with practice, or after you aren't receiving any more information, then we'll move to close. But I'm going to remain quiet and allow you to continue asking the question, what can go right today? What can go right today? What can go right today? And we'll move to close now. You can return to this meditation whenever you wish. I am thankful for this connection. I am thankful for this awareness. I am thankful and blessed. Peace, love, and light to all. Namaste.